I have never shown this brand new software here with which you can earn $160 over and over again in completely passive income. You just have to follow all of the steps in this tutorial and take action, and that's all it takes. Now, just before I show you the site in question, let me remind you that if you like this type of content and you'd like to see more, then support my channel by giving this video a thumbs up below. And so you don't miss out on any future videos to come, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll get notified whenever I upload a new video. With all of that said, let's now jump straight into the tutorial so I can show you everything. So this is the site we will be using today in order to get paid. This website is called dailyuploads.net. It's a site I know most of you have never heard about before, so let me explain how it works. Basically, it's similar to the likes of Uploadship and others in that it pays you whenever someone downloads a file you have uploaded on here. Whenever someone tries to download one of your files, they will first see a bunch of ads before they can download the files in question, and of course, the ad revenue is split between yourself and the website. However, there is one big difference that makes this website stand out from the crowd. This one pays a lot more money per 1,000 downloads than other sites like it do, as I will show you in this video. Furthermore, a great thing about this site is that when you upload those files, you don't have to promote them on social media or whatever in order to get paid. This website does it for you. But as I said in the beginning, I have a huge bonus to drastically increase the amount of traffic you will get and earn far more money. Now, how much money you will get paid exactly and all information relating to payment you can check out by clicking on Make Money right up here. On this page, you can see that the minimum payout is $25, which is a bit of a downside, I must say, but it still isn't too much money either. You can also see that they offer various payment options: Skrill, WebMoney, and for those of you who prefer cryptocurrency, Bitcoin. So they do have quite a bit of ways to make sure you get paid. Now check this out. You can get paid up to $16 per every 1,000 downloads, and while that might not seem like a lot, it actually is. You can see that by going over to some other similar platforms like uploadforever.com here and compare the prices. You can see that this website will pay you at most $7 per 1,000 downloads. So Daily Uploads will earn us more than twice as much money for the same amount of downloads, which is a big difference. And that's one of the main reasons I'm showing you this site. Now, back on this page, you can see that they do have a referral system in place, and this is a great way to make some extra cash using this website. With that said, another big reason why I am showing you this is the amount of traffic it gets, since after all, how many people visit this site a month greatly impacts how much you will be getting paid. To see the exact stats, you can come over to similarweb.com. This website will give you information like how many people visit a website a month, from which countries do most people visit the said site, and so on. And when I searched for daily uploads, I found that over 1.5 million people come on that platform every single month, which is a very decent amount of people actually. And think about this for a second. 10,000 people downloading a file you've uploaded would earn you up to $160, and that is just 0.6% of the people who visit the site on a monthly basis. So as you can see, you can earn some very nice money easily with this website. Anyways, in order to start making money with daily uploads, you need to register by clicking on sign up in the upper right corner, and then enter in your username, email address, your password, and finally payment information. When done, just click on I'm not a robot and on submit, and you will now want to log in to your brand new account from there. With that done, guys, there is one big question left unanswered, which is, what files will you be uploading? Well, what you can do is go over to sites like Free PLR Downloads and others, and find files like tutorials, ebooks, and so on that contain useful information that will actually benefit the person downloading the file, which in turn will lead to more downloads. However, a way I personally prefer is uploading files from a site called pexels.com. On this platform, you can find royalty-free images and videos that you can download and use with no copyright infringement and with no attribution required to anyone. And uploading some photos or videos from here is a very good idea because people will get some value from them. They are royalty-free, so they can use them however they want to, and Pexels offers some amazing-looking photos and videos. And the thing is that not many people know about Pexels, which is also very important as well. For example, what you can search for is beach videos, since not only do they look awesome, but people love them and more of them will want to download them. Now, you don't have to search for beach per se, nor do you have to search for videos as well. Searching for landscape or beautiful landscape is a great idea. And just a side note, if you want to upload photos on daily uploads, then make sure you download multiples of them, 4 or 5 at least, and then group them together into a folder and upload that entire folder, because daily uploads requires the minimum size of the file to be 1 megabyte. Anyways, when you find something that you like, all you need to do is open up the video or photo in question, like this video of a beach which just looks stunning, and click on Free Download in the upper right corner in order to download it to your PC for free. To upload the file, what you need to do on the site is click right here, then find the file on your PC and open it up. Then click on Start Upload right here and just wait until it uploads. When it does, you will be presented with the link of that file, as you can see, and as I said, this website will get you traffic and people will download your file no matter what. But I highly recommend you share this link with other people so you get as many downloads as is possible. Sharing in various Facebook groups, for example, is a good idea. Twitter, Instagram, all social media platforms in general are excellent places to get traffic. But if you want to get traffic without doing anything, then I highly recommend you check out this tool right here, the link of which I left in the description box below. This is the same tool I've shown you guys in that intro. This is a brand new software that not a lot of people have heard about, and that means you have the perfect chance to jump on it and take action before many people hear of it. This will, as you can see, get you permanent traffic in 22 seconds to any link out there. So whether it's some link from OfferVault, some website you found on Google, or a link from dailyuploads.net, it does not matter one bit. This will get you traffic to it. As you can see, this will allow you to earn upwards of $300 on a daily basis in passive income, and by scrolling down you will be able to see more info on it, and this I think is very much worth noting. 29 absolute newbies made over $14,000 total in a single week. So this proves you don't need any skills for this. Moreover, as I said prior, it works in any niche. So what you're promoting literally doesn't matter at all. Lastly though, it offers a year-long money-back guarantee. And they will actually pay you $300 if this does not work out for you. So yes, it is a paid tool indeed, but thanks to these two features and also the fact that it can allow you to make money in passive income, I think more than makes up for it. If you guys want to give this a try, and I would highly recommend doing so, this is once again the very first link in the description box below. If you're, however, unwilling, then that's fine too, because as I said previously, you will be able to make money with daily uploads nevertheless. Anyways, with that said, this is it for today's video, guys. As always, if you liked it and you're enjoying my content, then be sure to give this video a thumbs up below to support my channel. And in case you don't want to miss out on any future videos just like this one, then click on that red subscribe button and turn on the notifications, and you'll be notified whenever a new video pops up. As always, thank you all for watching, and I'll see you soon.